functions, extract function. So till last class we have seen last day, next day, add months,
Yeah,
month,
that I was not able to get the result for that
age.
year, month, day. I
Okay,
tried, but it is like no, I was not
we
able to
will
put
see
the
at the
logic.
end of the class today. Okay, at the end we will see that. Okay, now we will continue with extract and round functions. So now coming to extract. The name extract means it is going to extract the elements from the date. So here I am taking sysdate because sysdate is you are going to get the system date. So extract sysdate. So here we can give. I want year from the sysdate. So extract year from sysdate from dual. Now you are going to extract year. So similarly, you can extract all the elements. So what are the elements next? You want a month. So simply month you will give the keyword. Okay. So here you are getting the numeric format month. Why? Because how the sysdate is sysdate 3124 here numeric one. So now the next one day. So you are going to get the day. So today it is 30. So you are going to get 30. The same way we can also extract elements from system also. So system means if the date if the field is having time fields, so we can extract system. So here extract sys. So extract what you want hour. So hour from this timestamp. So what in sys timestamp we will see hour from June.
Hmm.
Here you are going to see this is the sys timestamp. So you are going to get hour. Okay. See here.
Hours it is showing one.
Yeah, that only. I'm checking that only. So coming to definitely it will give one. Why? Because here what it is a system time. It is having what zone.
Hmm.
Okay. So generally it is giving the 1 plus 630. So it is 630. So otherwise instead of this timestamp I am going to use local timestamp. Local timestamp. So now local timestamp you will get the exact hour. We'll see. So you are going to get 6 here.
Hmm.
So now we will go with a minute. Okay, a minute. So you are getting 38 minutes. But for sys timestamp, it is going to differ. This timestamp is going to differ. We'll see. Sys timestamp. So that means so here you are getting so 30 is there already. 38 means 8 you are going to get. So in sys timestamp, it is just so as we have zone. So zone means we are in plus 530 zone. It is giving you that irrespective of plus 530 it is giving the minute. Okay. Anyhow, we are going to use local timestamp instead of sys timestamp mainly. Okay. Next. So this extract function is nothing but it is going to pick the elements like year, month, day, or hour, minute, second based on our
Hmm.
requirement.
Okay.
Next, coming to round and trunk. Round and trunk. Select round. So generally we have seen round function in numeric functions, but now we can see round function in, okay, now we can see round function in dates. So same thing, sys timestamp I am using. Oh, sorry, sys date I am using. So simply, yeah, before going into sys date, sys timestamp or local timestamp I will take. Okay. Applying round on local timestamp and trunk on local timestamp. We'll see what is the difference. From yeah, see generally if you are applying on time field, okay, timestamp field. So if you use round function, it will round to exact date. It will not mention the time. So generally, in 24-hour format, 6 hours lies in below 12. So if it is above 12, it is going to go to the next day. Okay. Here we are rounding means it is below 12. So after 12, if you see local timestamp is going to give you the next day. Okay. If not, we'll also see. So select, I am just showing you the conversion function. So to date. Okay. In this to date, I am going to give the time 30:01:24. Again, conversion function I did not say, but in conversion function, you know why we write to date as well. So now here simply I am writing 13, 13, some 50 I am writing. Okay. And this is in which format? DD, MM, YY and 11:30. So it is HH 24-hour format, minute, MI. Okay, this date, what it is going to give, we'll see. Anyhow, we are converting into to date. It is giving it as a date format. But in this date, we have provided the hour 13:50. Okay. We can also write to two timestamp also, but as of now, only date I am taking. And then coming to, okay, same thing. And now I am applying round on the given date. So directly I'm writing instead of, so round on this. So it is above 12 hours, as we know. It passed 12 hours from zero. So what round function gives in numeric, if it is above 0.5, it will round to the next day. Now it has rounded to the next day. Actual time we have given what? 150. So that's why round function is going to give, it is half of the day passed. So it is giving to the next day.
Okay.
Understood? Got it?
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah, yeah.
So
And
that's
trunk will not do the same.
trunk is nothing but any time also it will give the same date. Okay.
Hmm.
What sometimes in some projects we'll have this kind of challenges. They want us to round the date. So that's why we use this function. Okay. In round, what it will do? Anyhow, round is nothing but it will remove the time format or time things. Okay. So here
Yeah.
manually I am taking the date with the given time like this way. Okay. Why? Because we are at 6 o'clock. Definitely round and trunk will give the same result. But here I am
Hmm.
forced. I'm showing you the day, a time with 130, 150, which is above 12. So now the difference you can notice.
Yeah.
Clear, no? Yes. Next. Yeah. Now in round and trunk, we can also round as per month as well. So now I am rounding as per month. State. So I am passing one more argument, month, from June. From June. Okay. So now see, month. So generally we are, month means how many days in a month? 1 to 6, 1 to 31. So we are past 15. So middle is what? 15, no? 15 days. So we are above 15. So above 15, now you are in 30. So that's why round function is going to give next month, say
Next month.
February. Got it? The same way, if you use trunk, trunk is nothing but it just give the first day of the present month it is going to give. Got it? So,
Mm-hmm.
so first day of the present month, we'll see. So that means trunk will give the first day of the present month and got it? First day of January and first day of the February. Same way, we can also round as per year as well. Okay. So now if you give year and see, so generally in a year, how many months? 12 months. So what is the middle month? 6.
6.
So now we are in first month. So both functions will give the same result. What it will give? First day of the year it is going to give. Okay. For example, now for a change, what I am going to do is I am adding 7 months to the 7 months to the given date. So simply add months function I am using here so that we will see the difference for both. So add months. So for
So
sys
it's
date
like
I'm
first.
okay, comma 2. I'm adding 7 months and showing the difference. 7. Okay. Okay, and next. Now if you check, see what will be the difference. So generally 7 months means here also simply I will add give this date. So that actual date is this one. Now. So 38. So it is going to the next year start date. That means January 1st, 25. But trunk it is giving the this year start date. Clear? Pawan, for you also clear now? I think you have revised previous videos as well.
Yes. Yeah,
Then, then yeah. Now you are able to catch up now the things.
yes.
Okay. All right. Next coming to yeah, round and trunk. Now you are fine with. Next coming to the conversion functions. We are done with date functions. The two questions, age and the other question also I asked you know which one? Age and yeah, this
That removing this.
yeah, this one also
1, 2,
you
3.
are
Yeah.
you are able
Mm,
to do.
no, no, no.
Okay. These two we will see after conversion functions. Okay. Yeah. Today we'll go with conversion function. The next topic is what? Conversion functions. Conversion. functions. So first I will list out conversion one. The name itself says you are going to convert date to character. So generally what conversions we can do? Character to date. Similarly, number to character. So these kind of actions we are going to perform in database. So we can convert date to character to date, number to character. So we will see one by one by converting. First one is date to character. So in order to convert date to character, so first I will list out one function. So in order to convert date to character, what we use is to underscore char. So what is the function we use? To underscore char. The name itself says to
Two
character.
character. Okay.
So these two character we can convert by using to char. We can convert date to character as well as
Mhm.
number to character.
Character.
Okay, number to char. So what is it? Date to char and number to character with this function. So next function to underscore date. The name itself says so we are going to convert
Mm.
character to date,
Date.
to date. Okay.
Mm.
So we are going to convert to date means to character to date. So this
Mm.
action we can perform. Anyhow, we have seen one example just above. So we are converting character data to date. Okay, that I will show you. First, I will list out all the functions. Next one, to char is there, and the next one is uh, coming to this. We will not use regularly, but binary to number. So that means from binary digits to number, we can use this function. It's not a regular function, but just keep in mind. Next, to number. So what is to number? So to number means you are going to convert character to number. Got it? Here, one more action we can perform, that is character to number also is there. Character to number. So character to number, how you can do? To number function. To
Mm.
number. So binary to num is nothing but binary values. We know, no? Oh, 1
Yes.
comma 1 comma 1 means some number, it is nothing but 7 or something. So this
Mm.
is the binary. In some projects or some kind of business logics we may use, but not regular.
Mhm.
And next one, SCN to timestamp. Okay, this one function we use. So why I am saying this is uh, so in order to uh, know last update time or something on the table, we use this function. So this for tracking purpose we use. So SCN is nothing but system change number. System change number. That means if any updates or if any changes are done on the table, so we can a number will be registered. So we are going to convert that number into time. So in order to know which time that row is added or that column is updated like this. Okay, I will show you with example. Don't worry. But system change number to timestamp. Okay. So apart from this, we also have to underscore timestamp. The name itself says we can convert character to time.
Mhm.
Okay. So now we will see one by one with examples. So there are a lot of things we can do with this two care, but one by one I will show you. Just practice also. So now coming to converting date into character. So we need to learn, in order to date into character, we need to learn some date formats. Date formats. So that we will see while doing with examples. So now, so what is the sys date we will do? Sys date from viewer. So we are going to get what? Direct date we are going to get.
Hmm. Hmm.
So now my manager asked, I want what is the day of this. So simply I can use date function. So to underscore char. Simply I use conversion function. So to underscore char sys date. I want d. D is nothing but it will give day of the week. D is nothing but manager asked to give me day of the week. So 30 is nothing but what we are in third week. So generally in Oracle, day starts from Sunday to Saturday. Saturday. We'll check if I subtract -2, which week we are. Okay, if you subtract -2, oh here I need to simply here -2. So that means we will be in
Result is
this date means 28. 28 is the first, not the first week, no? Okay, okay. This is just a conversion function. Okay, okay, okay. No, 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 not. My assumption is wrong. Yeah. So generally, what it will give is, so from Monday to Tuesday, Monday to Saturday, or Saturday to Monday. So it is showing 3 means what? So generally, we are it 20, 30. We are it. So January 30. This calendar. Okay, it is showing in February. Okay. Yeah, 30 is what? Tuesday. So
hmm.
I said no. In database, a week starts from Sunday, end with
Hmm.
Saturday. So it is going
Hmm.
which date it is giving? 3 means third day of the
Sunday, Monday,
present week.
Tuesday.
Got it? So Tuesday is nothing but it is treated as 3 in a
Hmm.
database. That means in database, weeks are starting from Sunday to Saturday.
Okay.
Okay. Got it? So if you want weekday from the date, simply we use format D. If I use double D, it will give day of the month. Okay.
Okay.
So this is going to give what? Day of the week. So this is going to give day of the month. So that means if you use double D, it is going to give day of month. So we are on 30, it is going to give 30. So anyhow, we can also use extract function, but than that, this is very simple. No, directly to care function we are going to use. So now coming to next. If I use one more D, so what you will get? Day of year you will get. Day of year means generally how many years per a non-leap year? 365 days. So we are
Hmm.
in what? 30 only because presently January 30. So definitely 30. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes. Next. Next. Coming to if I use DAY, so day, it is going to give the day of the year. So see, here we got 3 for single D. If I use day, it is giving a character day. So it is
Okay.
Tuesday. But I want
Hmm.
shortcut instead of okay. I want shortcut. Simply dy if I write, it is going me 3-letter week.
Okay.
Tuesday.
Yeah.
Got it? The same
Got it.
way here, you need to practice. That's all. Different ways. So I want initial capital letter or I want small letters. If I use day, it is going to give small letters.
Okay.
So like this, so many cases are there. For this, I
Hmm.
will say you all. So simply, if I want small letters in short format, same way. If I want initial capital letters, simply day. So the way how we write the format in that way, see T, it is going to give capital. Clear now?
Yeah, clear.
So this is about how we are writing the formats of a date. Okay,
Hmm.
in different cases, when it's a week, when it's a month, and when it's a year. Now
Hmm.
coming to month, select sysdate 2_char. So we are converting sysdate, okay, comma, sysdate, comma. So I want from viewer. Means what? We are going to get month from the date. So it is what? Generally 1 1 year.
Yeah.
Now you got an intention. I want complete month
So
character.
I will read month.
That's all.
Hmm.
Same.
January.
Yeah.
And
Same
if I
way,
like
capital, small also you can do it.
capital,
Or else
small, short form.
everything you can do. But here, if you want shortcut, MOA, first three
Hmm.
letters is going to be clear, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Practice different ways. Next, coming to year field. So I want to get year from the sysdate. So how many digits you want for the year? 4 digits. So why I am going to give. So it is going to give me the year. Clear? So actually it is 24 showing in the sysdate format, but the format is Wi-Fi. Got it?
Got it.
So now if you want to give only 3 Ys also you can give. So it will give you last 3 digits of the year. So 0 to 4. 2 Ys if you give, it is going to give you 2 characters. That means 2 numbers of the year. That means last 2. Similarly as how this is date looks. Okay. Now coming to see, actually why we are learning on sysdate. Now we will go with the table data. So actually our employee table is having what? This is our data. My manager asked, Harish, instead of hire date in this format, I want like this way. How he want? Uh, so I want simply month end. So he want like this way. December. Suppose it is 1980. I want 1980. So like this way, I want the format. So when they joined, I want simply the month and the year. He want. So how you now the requirement is that. So how you will do now? Simply I am taking 2 columns. One is ename and the hire date for reference I'm taking. So now what? 2_. So 2_char. So I am
Hmm.
converting what? Date, hire date. So what format you want now? You let me know how we write.
Mm.
So I want 3 characters of
Yes.
month. So you learn now only.
I
MOA.
am. Yeah. Yeah.
I want 4 characters of the year. So I want
Yes.
hyphen also. Simply hyphen you keep.
And
And
why?
okay, so now simply n underscore higher date, simply new higher date. I am writing the earlier. From which table? Yep. If
EMP.
you now if you run and see, okay,
Missing select keyword.
no, two queries are running at the same time. That's
Oh,
why.
okay. Yeah,
So
that
now
I
see,
need to understand these errors are coming now whenever like I'm running this query.
yeah, actually what happened is, if you run directly Control Enter, it is
Hmm.
going to take above December. You will not keep semicolon. So that's why I said no. If you keep semicolon, think that this statement is starting from here. Otherwise, it is
Okay.
thinking that because in SQL, every statement end with semicolon.
Hmm. Yeah,
Got it?
can like you will cover that error part like if what is the meaning of this error in a query?
Yeah, definitely. See, now if I miss here something like if I write five eyes, the error part is like manual mistakes one. So
Yeah.
here
No,
generally
it's not
it's
showing
not.
error.
It's, yeah, it is
Yeah,
not
it
showing the
is.
error.
Hmm.
For example, here I wrote the format. If
If
you write
you
five,
remove the parenthesis or like add the
like that.
parenthesis, then it will
Yes,
show.
it
So
will show.
kind of thing. Oh yeah. So it's just a general understanding
Yes.
of the errors. Ki what kind of errors and what is the meaning of these errors?
Okay. See, actually in PL SQL we find out the errors like numeric errors, everything. But in
Okay.
SQL also the same thing. See,
Hmm. Hmm.
yeah, I will cover means generally when you are executing, you will
Hmm.
understand. You need to
Yeah.
read the error.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So here, for example, you are converting character from date
Hmm.
to so from date field to you are using to char function on what? Date to character. So if you
Hmm.
are you miss to use a numeric column here, so then something like invalid number format mode. So to char function generally for what purpose we are using? We can convert number to character or date to character. But
Hmm.
here the format you have given is what? You are converting date into
Salary
this
to
format.
date. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, this is not, this is a mistake. Here you need to definitely give higher date column you need to give.
Hmm.
Format issue this is. Why? Because I don't know, common sense. To char we are going to convert in this format. Can we convert salary into this format? No.
No.
Salary is a numeric column.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, that also I will show you. Now we are just looking about date conversion. Because with to char we can also convert numeric into character.
Hmm.
But here our format is reference to date column. Is
Hmm.
it? Monday and that means month and year from where we can pick definitely from date. It is not from numeric. That's
Hmm.
why this kind of errors will get here. Okay, anyhow we will cover it, but in our course only we will find out different sort of errors. Try to read the error if you get any error. So yesterday I
Yeah.
think from the notes you are running it. So what
Hmm.
happens? I am writing a comment here. So if you want this format like this way, so definitely 2020 like in this format I want to show the date. So what happens here? Semicolon ended. So next say
Yeah.
SQL statement starts from here to here.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Unless if you keep semicolon here,
Hmm.
so it is starting from here.
Hmm.
Otherwise, if I remove semicolon, it will start from the last semicolon.
Okay.
So that all I am saying.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
But anyhow, it's working. No issues. Yeah. So your our requirement you achieved, no? So he want only
Hmm.
month and the year.
Month and
If
the year.
you want comma separation also, you can give comma separation. No issue.
Yes.
Same problem here. Okay, clear now? Or else
Yeah.
what we can do is we can select the query and we can run it. Then no need of the comments to get semicolon or something. So if you
Hmm.
run in, if you want any run query without any semicolon also, you can run. Simply select this and run it. Got it? In this way also you can control enter, shortcut. Okay, we are going out of this two char. Okay. Now next we are converting to month and the year on the high date code. Okay. Now coming to manager asked, I want date with like 17th December. Like this way I want. I don't want year. So how you will write? Here one more format we are going to learn now. So that it is, so simply I rename higher date. So these we call it as what? Ordinals. Ordinals we call it. So ordinals are like first ST, second, third, and what is the next? TH. Okay. Then how we provide this format? So 2 underscore char, which column you want to convert? So DD. So we need to provide here for all sort of ordinals also we will provide what? TH. Okay, comma,
Hmm.
and what you want month in a short format, MOA. Okay, new hire date from employee table. So now you see 17th, 22nd, first. Got it? So if
Yeah.
you want ordinals in your format, see, in data we don't have this data, but as per the requirement, by using to char function, we are changing the date format in what way we want. Okay, that is the advantage of conversion. So why? Because in report we are going to see the date format in what format we want, in that manner. Okay, that's why I am saying you all the formats one by one, so that based on that you can.
Yeah, like how it is picking, like our query is like okay, two character higher date and DDTH, but it is picking all the respective ordinals.
Yes, that one I am saying. We will use TH here. The format type is TH only.
TH
But
only. Okay.
yeah, but all
Okay.
the
Okay.
ordinals you are going to work with.
Okay. Fine. Fine.
Got Yeah. Next format. We can also spell the numeric. Yeah, spell the numerics as well. So how it is? If you want to spell the digits, SP, to spell digits. So for example, anyhow we will not use, but we'll see. In some cases, see. Um, simply sysdate on sysdate I will write, and later we'll go with table. So 2 underscore char. So I'm converting sysdate. So I want to spell date. So DDSP. Okay. And
Yes.
I want to spell, also I want to spell year. YYYSP. We'll see whether it will work or not. Yeah, definitely it will work. But here we are spelling the numeric things. So 30, 30 is
That,
the date and 2024 is the year. Okay.
okay.
You are spelling the format.
Hmm.
Any symbol you can get. You want slash here. Simply use slash. 30 2024. Okay. So in order to
We
spell the
can just
digits,
keep the other column also, no? First, we will convert the spelling of the date. Next time, we will convert the spelling of year.
yes, 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 yes.
We can keep it
Uh,
into columns
yes,
also.
yes, yes. Here on single format and just showing you. So, but you can also do what you want. So now I want only month. Simply use MMSP. But here also common sense. If you write MONSP, then it is not. You will get an error. We'll see. I hope it will get an error. Date format not recognized. So generally on numeric digits only you can do. So if you mention then it is what? 1. So it is going to be 1. Because on numeric you can spell it.
Mhm.
Understood, no? Yeah.
Yeah.
One column also you can write. Simply you need to split the 2 char into multiple 2 char. That's yeah. Pawan, you are following, no?
Yeah, bro.
Any doubts from your side? Yeah.
Clear.
Okay. Next. So many formats are there. That's why I'm saying you need to practice. That's all. You need to memorize. Right. So sysday. Now, if you want to find out the quarter of the given date, okay, sometimes we will get quarter results on so and so date.
Mm.
So based on the date, I want to find out which quarter we are. Okay, simply how to find out. So directly we have to char function. That means to char of sysday. So what is the format sysday? What is the quarter Q? Simply we give the format Q from Jewel. Now if you run and
Right.
see, so we are in what? First quarter.
First quarter.
Because 30 is the first quarter. 3 months, 1 quarter. So now we will apply on the table. Then you will see the difference. So we I'm taking employee name, hire date. Simply hire date I'm going to give in our employee table. See, Smith joined in fourth quarter. Ellen joined in first quarter. Jones joined in second quarter. So directly easy way of getting quarter. Simply we are getting the format to char. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. There's a different formats. Now Roman format if you want. So Roman characters. Okay. Select z comma 2 underscore cat. So what is the format? Z comma. So I want to convert a month. So sorry, here Roman month only, not the character. Roman month from Jewel. So generally for how you are getting the format? Simple numeric. But I want to get Roman month. So how you can get? Because till 12 we have Roman. So Roman characters, we have multiple Roman characters. So that I will show you in numeric conversion. But here month. So simply RM we will give. It is going in
Okay.
I. Okay. If you go with November, we'll get the Roman character. So
Mhm.
here, understood, no? So
Yeah.
in some cases, if we are going to use Roman characters, Roman month, we can use this. Okay. Now coming to DL. DL means what? Long date format. So in sysdate, we are getting what by default a short format. it is what 3124. So instead of giving all the formats and getting all like long date format, simple format function we have, that is dl 2 underscore char this date. So simply you use dl format. That's all. So it is going to give you long date format. So see, Tuesday 30 January 2024. This is the long date format. So in order to achieve this manually also we can achieve. So what you will get month, this is what Tuesday. Tuesday is nothing but week. So how you are getting this Tuesday? We just now we executed one query. DAY. Okay. So DAY we are going to give Tuesday, and the rest 30 means DD. January, how you will get month, month 2024. The same thing I can achieve with multiple formats. What it is that? DAY. So DD. And next one, initial month. So month. Okay. And next one, YYY. So the same above result set we're going to get now. But directly we have what? DL. Okay. Similarly, short date format also we have T. Yes. Short date format. So instead of DL, we are going to use DS.
Yes.
Here we are going to get the short date. Anyhow, this is also a short date. In short date, we are getting slash S. Okay. But complete year we are going to get here in short. Okay. So now this timestamp will go. This timestamp. Till now we see this date. This timestamp will go. Select this timestamp from dual. Okay. This timestamp or local time anyhow. So now I want only hours and minutes from this. So instead of this timestamp, without confusion, okay, we'll take this timestamp, no issues. 2 underscore char. So I want hour from here. Generally, extract function also we are going to get the same, but here it is easy now. If you want hour, HH. Okay, here 2 char written format is wrong. That's why. So we are getting 7. Yeah, the same thing. Hours 24-hour format also we can bring, but here as of now our hour is 7. Definitely it will be 7 only. After 1 it will be 13, 14 like this. In this case it will be same as the normal 12-hour format. So you can also get multiple like see, sometimes we want hour and minute in the same zone. So simply colon or anything we want comma separation or something. So hour or minute, because mi will give you minute. 41 minutes now. We give minute mi. Minutes. Sorry, 24 minutes.
24. Yeah.
Next one, seconds. Yes. I am giving the reference here. Now if you see, so 51 seconds. Even fraction of second also we can bring it. by using to char. So there is FF. I'm bringing FF only. We'll see. Yes. See this fraction of second also we are bringing out of time. Got it?
Yeah.
So if you want AM and PM as well, I want to mention my date in AM or PM. We can mention. Select to underscore char sys timestamp. So I want the format like this way. HH minute. So for AM and PM both we will use only one AM. Okay.
Okay.
So from June. So here see some issue is there. Where what is the mistake? Here instead of comma we wrote full stop. So we got the time AM or PM. So that means we are cutting down our date into a time column. So we can alias this like something like reading time or something. Okay. So that's why we can define our own column by using the conversion function, and we can make it a separate column reading time. Okay. But see here common sense here. So suppose if you give here 24 and give a, will it work?
No.
Working.
Hmm.
Generally, I
So
thought
24, like, if it is a 24 hours, then we don't require AM, PM, no?
yes, yes, not required, but maybe here it is working. Maybe it's a bug for now. But after 1 p.m., will it give 13 and here it will give PM or AM? We have to see. Here also, after 1,
We
it
can
has to
hard code
give
and
PM.
see, no?
What?
We can just hard code a date and see whether it
Yes,
is working.
yes. Just I'm saying you because here simply what we can write 2 timestamp. 2 timestamp function. I did not say no. That's why I'm not saying you. 2 timestamp. 2 timestamp also the same thing. 2 date only. Here, okay. Instead of time, we are going to give our own time. So for example, 10, 10, 10, 24. So you want what? 13. Okay, 13. Some 33. That's all I'm giving. So here I'm not generally if I give PM or something here for 13 format will not give. So yeah. So what is our assumption is that we need to here DD EMM YY and which format we have provided here. Here only we can mention HH 24 and what is the MI minute. Got it? So now I am going to run this. So we are getting, but actually no, not required AM or PM here. That means it is working independently. Okay, it's not looking at whether it is 24-hour format. Now you got it. So coming to normal AM and PM, I will remove this thing and simply AM. So now it has to show us PM. Anyhow, it had shown in previous case as well, but here now 1 PM. Clear? So this
Yes.
is if I write 24, whether it will give PM or simply it is giving AM. Yeah, PM only. Okay. Anyhow, we will write for HH12. HH12 is also there, but by default, HH also work like 12 format as well. Okay? You can also give 12 as well, but no difference, the same thing. Okay, clear. So we are done with date format, like time to character and date to character. Different
Mm.
formats we have seen. Just practice. Today it is very
Yes.
lengthy in